Hello, everybody. This is Bob Omlis again with another tip. This is tip 3 out of this book called This Isn't Excellence Magic, which is available from either from Amazon or, and I will put a link to it in the worksheet, and you can get it from there. It's actually, well, it's easy enough. It's HTTP www.iil.com, 2 I's, 1 L, and then search for the book, and you can get it there. In this tip, this is about using the keyboard or using the mouse, I'm sorry, to insert and cut and copy and paste and all that. Maybe you didn't know you could do this from the keyboard, but you can. You can drag borders. So for example, if I want to, you can see that the date is in the wrong order. I have 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6 going down column C. Clearly this belongs one cell below, one row below. I can do it by holding to the border. When I select on the border, it changes to a 4-pointed arrow. If I just click that and drag it around, that's a cut and paste. Same thing as a cut and paste. If I hold down the Shift key while I do that, that's a copy and paste. I'm sorry, Control key. See a little plus sign next to the arrow. That's a copy and paste. I'll undo that. If you hold down the Shift key, it's an insert. So if I take this 4 1, 2003, and drag it down, you can see the cursor changes shape. In this shape, it's where I would put it is between 3 and 5. This is a cut and insert paste. When I let go, boom. I don't know if you noticed, but if I was not vertically oriented here, but I was horizontally, it would insert it between B3 and C3. If I do that, you can see it did that. I actually use this a lot. I can also hold down the Shift key and notice the shape now when it's on the fill handle. If I drag it down, I'm actually inserting a row. Lots of cool tips using the keyboard. I take it back. Lots of cool tips using the mouse. Okay, that's a short one, but I think it's very useful. I use it all the time. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.